Alright, good day. Today we are going to do the question paper of November 2018, in which we are going to look at each and every question related to integration. Now, when you look at these questions, you might ask yourself which one is by parts and which one is a U substitution and which one is a long division method and which one is a trig functions. Like the first question here, you see it says y is equals to 10 sine 2x cos 2x. So we have two terms there, that is sine and cos. Then we say that where do we get sine and cos? Sine and cos we get if we have a certain term, like if I have cos squared x. Cos squared x, when you differentiate it, it is the exponent to cos of x times derivative of cos, which is sine x, meaning that whenever it is squared, it gives you two terms, so it forms two terms. Right, now let's look at the second one. It says cos x cos squared x of 1. Right, it says we have x, which x multiplied by, meaning that there's a plus. When there's a plus, meaning that there are two terms that you need to integrate. And then this one, it says x over 1 plus x to the power 4. As we know that this, if it is squared, you can let this to be u, and then right now let's go for each and every question and deal with it. Right, question 4.1, it says that 4.1.1, it says y is equals to 10 sine 2x multiplied by cos of 2x into the square root of cos squared 2x minus 5. Right, now you will notify that most the terms which are under the squared or the square root of, it is the one that we let to be u, meaning that if I say integral of y dx, which is the 10, I can put 10 outside. It's just a coefficient. Sine 2x multiplied by cos of 2x into cos squared 2x minus 5, all to the power half d of x. So let this one which is inside, let the part which is inside to be equals to u. Let's say this part here to be u. Right, then what we are going to say, we are going to say that if I have that, I can say let your u is the same as cos squared 2x minus 5. Right, then du over dx is the same as, is in a trig function. Trig function, we look at the exponent, the name, and the angle. The exponent is going to give you 2 cos of 2x, the name, and then it gives you minus sine 2x, and then the angle that gives you 2. Right, and then minus 5, it will give you 0. Right, it can be a minus or a plus 0. Then we make dx out of the formula. We say that, okay, meaning that our dx is the same as du divided by the whole thing part here, which is the same as 4 cos minus 4 cos 2x sine of 2x. Now let's substitute this to as a dx from there. Then we say that integral of y dx is the same as 10 integral of sine 2x multiplied by cos 2x multiplied by u to the power half into what? Du divided by minus 4. This is the same as, we can regard it as also sine 2x cos 2x, because 1 times 2 is the same as 2 times 1. Then what we say that let's cancel like terms. We say that, meaning that this will cancel that, and then after it cancel each other, then we can say we have 10 over minus 4 integral of u to the power half du, meaning we summarize it so that we can have only one term. And then the same 10, 2 to 10 goes 5 times, is 5 over minus 2. and then here we have u to the power of 3 over 2. We add plus 1, and then we have 2 over 3 plus c. Right, so 2 will also cancel 2. We can say let 2 cancel 2. We can say that 2 will also cancel that 2, and then we have minus 5 over 3 into what is u. U is the same as the over half. It forms the square root of what? Cos squared 2x minus 5 all cubed plus what? Plus c. Right. The next question, it says 4.1.2. Y is the same as x cos of s squared plus 1 over s squared plus 1. Right. Here it's a u substitution method because of, we see you have a base form and then we have a base form. Let u to be equals to x squared plus 1. Du over dx is the same as 2x. Therefore, your dx is the same as du over 2x. But this one is stands by itself. Then when we say integral of y dx, we are going to say integral of x multiplied by cos of, we said let it be u into what? Dx. Your dx, okay, in terms of dx, because we integrate in terms of dx, plus integral of 1 of x squared plus 1 du. Therefore, we have x cos u. What is dx? Replaced with that is the same as du over 2x plus integral of 1 over x squared plus 1 dx, not du. I'm sorry for that. And then we say that let's cancel the x's. Let's cancel the x. X will cancel x, right? So that we can have only one term. Then we say what will be? It will be integral of 1 over 2 integral of cos of u du plus integral of 1 over s squared plus 1 dx. Right. Now on the formula sheet, we know that when we have y dy over dx, when you have sine x becomes cos of x plus not plus c, it's a derivative, and then we have arctan of x is 1 over 1 plus x squared. So when you go to that direction, you differentiate. When you go to that direction, you integrate. So we say half. Before it becomes cos, it was what? It was sine x plus ln x, not ln, sorry for that. It is not ln, it was not ln, it is 1 over 1 plus x squared, then becomes arctan of x plus c. Right. The next question, it says that 4.1.3, it says y is equals to x over 1 plus x to the power 4. If it was versa, say x4 plus 1 over x, we can separate there, say x4 over x plus 1 over x, and then integrate like x cubed plus 1 over x. And then we have x4 over 4 and ln x, whereby we have x4 over 4 plus the ln of x. But now we see here the top one numerator, it is the smallest exponent than the numerators. So in this case, we say that okay, integral of y dx is the same as integral of x over 1 plus x to the power 4. What cancels x? It is what cancels x? It is x squared. So let your x squared to be equals to your u. then du over dx is the same as 2x. So your dx is the same as du over 2x. Then we say integral of y dx is the same as integral of x over 1 plus x to the power 4 multiplied by dx, which is the same as integral of what is x over what? 1 plus u squared, right? Multiplied by what? Du over 2x, right? Then we can cancel x. See, when we cancel the x, we say that x will cancel x. And then we come again there. Then we can say that we have integral of 1 over 2 outside into what? 1 over 1 plus u squared du. Similar with that question of say arctan of x, the derivative of it is 1 over 1 plus x squared. So it will be what? Half into the arctan of u plus c. But what is arctan is half. What is u? Arctan of what is u is the same as what? Of x squared plus what? Plus c. Right. The next one. So the next one, which is number 4.1.4. 4.1.4, it says y is equals to cot cubed x. Let's break cot. Cot is the same as cot x multiplied by cot squared x. So this shows squares identities. Squares identities, cot squared, we know that 1 plus cot squared x is the same as cosec squared x. So we want only cot squared. So take 1 to that side, it becomes a minus. So here I'm going to say integral of y dx is the same as integral of cot x multiplied by cot squared x dx. So integral of cot x into cosec squared x minus 1 d of x. Multiply each term by each. Right, so integral of cot x multiplied by cosec squared x dx minus integral of cot x dx. Right, now this one you can get it on the formula sheet, but come to this one. This one, when you go to formula sheet, you see you have y, you have dy over dx, you have cot x, it gives you minus cosec squared x. So this is there on the dy over dx. So you can take this to be your u. Your u is cot x, du over dx is minus cosec squared x. Then we say integral of cot x times cot x, which is your u. Let me remove it. Say no, don't write it again. Let me remove it. Say I'm going to say that here before I can calculate here. From here, your dx is the same as du over minus cosec squared x. Right, then I can say that what I'm going to have u multiplied by cosec squared x dx. Here's your dx is the same as du over minus cosec squared x. Then they will cancel out again. They will cancel out cosec together with cosec. Right, and then this one will come there, whereby we know that the integral of that very same integral of y dx of that part, it is the ln of because of it is the same as cos over sine, so it is the ln of sine x plus c. Right, so we are going to say that here what we have integral minus integral of u du, right, minus integral of cot x dx, which is the same as minus u squared over 2 minus the ln of sine x plus c. So it's minus half. What is u? Is cot squared x minus the ln of sine x plus c, right? Then again we say that the last one, thank you.